Seagull, why are you always shooting his allies? Wait, correction. Why is he always shooting his allies? Question. Yes, holy shit, that was actually a really nice shot. Okay, I'm okay with that Widow play of the game for once. But I still think Shatter got more kills.
Epic.
He's in chat. Give him some Pog Champs, chat. He deserves it. That was a really nice play. But straight 250 says GT Seagull, sorry about my crappy McCree aim. I've been playing lots of projectile heroes for my competitive team. Who else lost because you have no one to focus or troll? Aw. Don't worry. Don't worry, Stray. It's okay. I've taken so many of your rank points. I'm actually surprised we didn't queue together more often. But thank you, Stray.